AI is the future, or so we were told, at least 5 years ago. Now it's drafting your emails, summarizing meetings, tracking goals, and building your weekly reports, and yet, most teams are still figuring out how to actually use it. At Knowledgetics Research, our AI skilling workshops are designed to close that gap. We help technical and non-technical professionals across human resources, admin, operations, and sales turn AI into a practical daily advantage. From building personal productivity hubs and automating admin workflows to generating action trackers and streamlining weekly reporting. All within the tools they already use: Outlook, Excel, Word, and Teams. Whether it's simplifying coordination, boosting clarity, or eliminating repetitive tasks, we ensure AI becomes part of how your teams think, plan, and perform. As Demis Hassabis, Chief Executive Officer of Google DeepMind, said, "Generative AI is the hallmark of Generation Alpha," and warned that jobs will be disrupted within 5 years. His message was clear: learn now or be left behind. At Knowledgetics, we make AI less intimidating and more impactful, tailored to real roles, real tools, and real results. Partner with us. Learn now. Lead next.